Hello, I will tell you about chat management tool and how to maintain it. First thing you should start with is companies, and here you see entered company list. You can add new company by clicking new company and adding its name. Right now I will not save it, but here you see everything what is entered. Click on the company to open it and everything what is in it. So here you can enter company servers, users, groups and chat rooms. The best is to start with groups. So here you can add groups related with permissions. For example, we are entering new limited group, and we can add users, but we can also add them later. And here we select all the features which are allowed. So we will not allow audio, clear conversation, and those features, and screen sharing. But we will add this saving whiteboard and so on. So we are saving this group, and the group is also for viewing each other. Another thing is chat rooms. So you can create chat rooms so that people who are in chat room will see what other people in chat room will write. For example, if you have a customer who should see other agents, you can add him to the chat room. He will not see the agents, but he will see what the agents will write in this chat room. So when you have groups and chat rooms created, you should add actually servers. Here we have added, for example, Prod CRM for Matrix. And it is also so that when you have servers, you add new server, you add name whatever you want, and then you need just to add this address, and you save it. And so when groups, chat rooms and servers are generally saved, the next thing is you go to users. So new user is same as everything else. Let's have test new user. It's enough actually if you enter just the name of the user. You can keep blank last name, email, this is for you. So here we add which groups this user belongs to. So it's like group 1 has full permissions, limited don't have all features available. Then this is one thing, is that I have these features related with this group. Another is, do I see all the other users in this group? If yes, then I add this group here. If not, then I don't add groups, and I add some kind of specific users which I'm allowed to see. I click save, and then when I have saved this user, I have the key here generated. I see the permissions, I can change them. But now what is important is that I map with some kind of user here on Prod CRM. So I click map, I say yes, I want to map. I see the user list in Prod CRM Matrix IT, and I decide that okay, let's put here. If I map it with sales UniVoIP CA, I say yes, and here I have this user. I see here what is mapped. I can add also other servers, server users if they are related with this company. Currently, I will delete it because I don't want this user to be saved. So this is how I can delete. After I delete, this mapped is empty, and here is available for mapping servers and users. What I can do, for example, you, Jamie, and me, we can go be added to other companies, not only to this Matrix IT. So I go back to user list, I find you, Jamie, and I will add you now to some other company. To which company you should be added. So you are already added here. So previously you were initially you were added only to Matrix IT. Then I also added you to UniVoIP and to Action Windows. I just showed you removed and added you here. So I save it. And what happens is after you are added to other companies, you also see other servers, like you see Action Windows here. And you are also already now added to UniVoIP. UniVoIP comes from UniVoIP company because you are on Matrix company servers. When you are added to these other companies, then you need to go to these other companies to identify the permissions on these servers, on these companies. For example, on the UniVoIP users, you automatically appeared as user on UniVoIP because you were just mapped from there. And you need to go to UniVoIP to be added to this UniVoIP groups, because they have another groups, another users, another visibility. So this you can manage in their groups, because it is possible to set in each of the companies different people you can see and different feature permissions. Also, you can identify keywords. Everything what is there is global, so this means that this is for all companies. Currently keywords are for all companies. You can identify new keywords and email. No, same as, for example, we had this @ symbol, and we should send it to also the chat reports are currently global, so it means that for all companies you can find the users, when what was sent, and then see. And also here under the settings, these are general chat settings for all. So this is this features and all these modules and plugins available. Currently something happened to my internet, so I guess, and so it's somehow opening very slow. Sorry for that. But normally you would see here this general Comet chat window with all plugins that you at all use for every company. I think I will stop here, otherwise file will be too huge.